What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how we will use our Java application to read our CSV files. So let's get started. Now let's hop to our repository. So the repository link is available in the description section of this video. Further, all the practicals which we are going to perform in this tutorial is available in this repository. Check out it please. Now the software which are needed as a prerequisite for this tutorial is one is Eclipse Desktop, which you can download from eclipse.org/ide, and right here you can just download them. Since I have already downloaded and installed them, this is my Eclipse ID. Third thing you have to do is install Java. The Java version 1.8 is specifically needed for this tutorial. Lower than is not supported and upper to that is not supported because 15 I've tried with 15 and it doesn't support this. So please install Java 1.8 also. Next, let's start with this tutorial. So to get us started, what we have to do is just clone this repository. So I will clone with SSH because my keys are already stored in my repository. So I will get into right here and let's get to GitHub. Inside GitHub repos, okay, this is my folder. I will right click and open my git bash. So if you haven't installed git bash also, do have it in git bash. Simply type git bash and you will get it in the downloads and directly download it from it for this Windows. Now let's copy this one and get to our bash and then type command git clone and repository name. Okay, so it's cloning. Okay, so it has cloned. Let's see. So this is my project. .git is present here. If you can't able to see .git, then go to this view and inside view in the options tab, this hidden items. So tick it. So after this you will get to it. Now get into this Java reader CSV file. Now copy this location and get to our Eclipse. So Eclipse is right here open, and now what I will do is I will use file and then import and then existing Maven project and then hit next because there is form, and then browse. This form is picked up and I will type finish. It finished, so it is importing my Maven project. Wait for the project to get imported. Okay, so this is a small project, so it is imported right here. Now I am getting the error, so let's see what is the error. So to see the errors, use this markers. So this file is getting open. Okay, so I will hit the markers. So in the markers there is Java problems, so I will hit this arrow right here. So there are problem with the sources. So the problem is of I am using right now. Let's see, I have also Java 15 in my system and the problem is of Java. Okay, so in the Java build path there is Java 15 configured. Fine, so this is the problem. So what I will do is, since I have already installed this JRE 1.8, so I will change this project to 1.8. so automatically all the problems are sorted. Fine, so let's see this what this program is doing. So this is the program of CSV reader, and what this code used to do is it picks the files from this directory named files, where there are the files which I have specified. What file we have to pick and what folder we have to give is also specified in this this configuration folder, and inside this parameter or property. So this is the folder name which I have to do, and these are the files which I am giving. So one file is CSV employee.csv and another is cs employee2.csv. Now this one is the first file which I am giving, and another is the file 2, this one. So all the files which you can also add more files here and specify the file names right here. This is the row delimiter which I have specified, that is this one. So every file to read the record line by line, this is specified. This is row delimiter. Further, to column I have specified this comma as my column delimiter, this one, splitter. Fine. And the file name is given. So these are the properties which are important right now. And here there are 3 functions. One is this group for performing the operations in row wise, and for performing the operations column wise and printing it. So the whole workflow, let's see what I am doing. So I am picking this all the properties from this parameter or properties, this one, right? And there are all the variables which are mentioned right here. And in this, when I pick this, I will specify I am taking all these files, these 2 files as a list right here. Here I have splitted them, took as a string, took these all parameters as string, and then using this split I have split it into an array. So this will look like this array of string. So I will specify it right here, copy it and then paste it here. So this will give this, and since this is an array, so what I am doing is looping to it. So to loop it, what I am doing is I will get this file name, folder name, that is this one, and then this file name. So what it is doing is it is pulling the file in the form of this one is the folder name is our files, slash is also there, this is the folder name, plus this one, first one. So according to the index it will pick. So for the first index it will pick like this one, okay, this path. So it is an object, fine. And then I am passing this parameter right here. This parameter is getting passed in this path. So this is files has some predefined function with it. So files is available, file class is available in java.neo files. So I have defined it right here, and let's see what is the function is about. So this is the declaration of function, and you can deep dive it. It is reading all the records of file at one glance, right? And in the form of bytes it is, and after reading in the form of bytes, I am converted in those one file into string. So what I am doing is I am picking one file, reading them in the form of byte, and then converting that file into our string. So this is how the whole workflow is working. So after getting picked up, what I am doing is calling one rows function. So what it will do is it will split this file, this CSV file. Let me show you right here. So what it will do is it will pick up this file, and then what it will perform is it will stream this all the parameters. So it will stream, that is read all the parameters, then split according to row splitter. Since row splitter was our this semicolon, fine. So row splitter is our semicolon. So what it will do is it will split, means it will form an array, and it will split means one record first is this one, another is this one, and third is this one. For more details on stream, do check out the documentation of Java streams. Now this one is right here. So this is how this stream is written, and we are converting it to array, fine. And then this is written, splitted string is written as array list, make sure this one, and this array list is written and getting picked right here by the list. Now since we have an array list of all this parameters, this one and this one, what I have to do is split them according to column wise. Now to perform it column wise, I have used this column function. So I will call this column function, and let's get to the column function, this one. Now it is taking the list which we have rated. Okay, so this is taking the list, and now the list is getting also every line which I am getting from list is this line one, first one line, this one is getting picked up and then streamed and splitted according to the column, and then this column is filled in this line, fine, this one. So this is how it is working. Now next thing is the first, since there is the first row which is of no use, so this row is getting skipped. So I have defined this skipped if there is the first row is, and there is a boolean variable which I have defined, so it will skip the first row, and I am printing all the columns right here. According to your requirement, you can change the code, because this code in the is in the MIT license, so you can perform operation and change it according to your columns. So this is the generic code which I have written. Now let's run this, run as Java application, hit OK, and now we are getting the output. The output is right here with this one, and this output will be same as ours. So let's open up console also. I will close it. Okay, now this is my files. These are the two parameters right here. Let's copy them. Okay, let's open the file here right here, drag and drop here. Now this is file as, let's open the console. See this, right? This is our employee file, employee CSV, and this is our code from employee CSV, right? Now let's see this employee 2 also. So employee 2 is here right here, and this see the code of employee 2. So this is how we have successfully configured our application right here, and this CSV reader is available in the GitHub. Thanks for watching, and for more support you can visit our website rdtech.in.